What if I told you that just last month, scientists published a discovery that could change everything we thought we knew about aging? It sounds like science fiction, but this is real, peer-reviewed science. Researchers were studying a diabetes medication called Henagliflozin, and what they found goes far beyond just controlling blood sugar. It seems to turn back the clock at a cellular level. So, here's how the study worked. They took 150 people with type 2 diabetes and split them into two groups. For 26 weeks, half of them took a small daily dose of Henagliflozin, while the other half got a placebo. The main goal was to see if the drug helped with blood sugar, which it did. But the scientists measured something extra, something most diabetes studies completely ignore: telomere length. Now, if you haven't heard of telomeres, think of them like the plastic tips on the ends of your shoelaces. They protect your DNA strands. Every single time a cell in your body divides, these telomeres get a little bit shorter. When they become too short, the cell stops dividing and essentially enters old age. So, shorter telomeres mean biologically older cells. And this is where things get absolutely mind-blowing. The group taking the diabetes drug didn't just have their telomeres shorten more slowly. After 6 months, their telomeres actually got longer. Let that sink in. Their cells, on a biological level, became younger. But that's not all. The benefits kept stacking up. Their immune systems got a serious upgrade. The study found higher levels of specific proteins that our killer T cells use to hunt down and destroy damaged or infected cells. This means their bodies became more efficient at cleaning out cellular junk, a key process for staying healthy. Then, there's another fascinating twist. Their bodies started acting as if they were fasting, even though their diets hadn't changed at all. Their blood showed higher levels of ketones. Ketones are usually produced when you're on a very low-carb diet or fasting. This state, known as ketosis, is linked to calorie restriction, which is one of the most well-studied methods for extending lifespan in animals. This drug was essentially tricking the body into thinking it was fasting, giving it the anti-aging benefits without any of the hunger. Now, you might be thinking, what is this miracle drug? Henagliflozin belongs to a class of medications called SGLT2 inhibitors. And the good news is, there are several similar drugs already approved and widely used in the US and Europe, like Jardiance and Farxiga. It seems that they all work by activating these same powerful anti-aging pathways in the body. What's really encouraging is that these drugs aren't brand new or experimental. They have over a decade of safety data behind them. The side effects are generally mild, like a higher risk of urinary tract infections, and can often be managed by simply drinking enough water. Serious risks are extremely rare, which is incredible for a drug with such profound effects. Of course, we have to be realistic. This was a 6-month study. The big question that nobody can answer yet is whether keeping telomeres longer over many years will actually lead to a longer, healthier human life. To know for sure, we'd need data from studies lasting 5, 10, or even 20 years. Still, this research is a huge deal. It's part of a massive shift happening in medicine right now. Instead of just treating the diseases of old age, like heart disease or dementia, science is starting to target the aging process itself. We might be living in the decade where we finally learn how to slow down aging. Not to stop it completely, but to delay it enough to give ourselves more healthy, vibrant years. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, and I am not a doctor. Please never make any changes to your medication or health routine without talking to your own physician first. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button. And I'd love to know where you're watching from, so drop your city in the comments below.